Hi Crafty Ones, Pam here with Pam's Paper Place, and I have an order that I received. I was contacted by Cora with a selected Panda haul, and I was able to choose some products. So I'm going to do this unboxing and show you everything that I got. And I'll put all the links in the description for selected Panda haul. Okay, what should we do first? How about this beautiful trim? This is Daisy Flower Ribbon. And it's a big roll of it. Let's see, and the number is, let's see if I can get it right. Here is the item number, OCOR-NB0001-17, and it is the roll. And I will, like I said, put the link in the description box. Oh, here's the end of it. So you get a lot. There's the right side of it. Isn't that beautiful? You could cut it apart. You could use the whole length along the page in a journal. You could put it on a paper clip, collage. Really pretty. And you get quite a lot. So I love that. It's nice quality. Super pretty. Excited about that. Okay, got a couple more items. And this PandaHall Elite. See what I got. Excited. Packed nicely. Okay, these are some, they're called B-shaped pendants. Oh, look, you get the little jump rings. And look what you get. You get some bead charms. Let me show you what they look like. And I'll give you the wow, aren't those beautiful? Oh my goodness. There's honeycomb. There's different types of bees, I believe. Yeah, there's this bee. And then there's a bumblebee. And then there is all of this honeycomb. Very nice quality. So pretty. Look at the little sparkly wings and the honeycomb. It's like clear, so it looks like a honeycomb. What a beautiful product. So these are little charms of bees and honey. Beautiful. And this is ENAM-PH0001-34, and they are called B-shaped pendants. Love those. And then you also get these little jump rings. And a nice little container to put your bee charms in. Nice. Okay, what's the next thing? This is so fun. Here's another package. Let's see what's in here. What funness is this? Wrapped very well. Okay, here we have some beautiful mushrooms. And the mushrooms, and they are called Mushroom Bead Strand, but it's LAMP-NB001-08. Mushroom Bead Strands. And they, look at all the different colors. You have these white ones with little spots. And then there's a hole at the top so that they could be beaded through. You have some pretty orange ones. They're cute. You've got red ones with the little spots. Let's open up this. See if we can just measure them. They are about well, they're more than a half, almost 3/4, not quite. So cute. They feel like a little glass bead. So you've got bright red. Did I show orange? More red. I do like that color. You got a green package of mushrooms and a kind of a green blue color. Brown. You get quite a few, or it's like a brownish purple almost. And then you have a darker blue. The black and white. The other one was all white with little spots. This pretty color blue. Then you have this white stem with yellow spots. Cute. We get a lot of little mushroom charms. Little glass type mushroom charms. And I think I have one more thing to show you that I got from PandaHallSelected. That's a big bag of mushrooms. Okay. And then I'll show you how I use them in the next 2 videos. This is a stamp. Look how cute that stamp is for a farmhouse journal or a little golden book journal. So cute. Got a farm scene with cows and all the farm animals. Little carrot, sunflower, farm animal, basket of eggs. Looks like it has a lot of detail too. And that product is DIY-WH0167-56143, and I will put the description in the box. Thank you so much, PandaHallSelected. I love everything. So very, very nice. And also, I will have a product code, Pam Van E. That'll be good for at least a year, I believe. And if you spend over $59, you'll get $6 off. So that's PandaHallSelected. And I'm really excited to try out these products. So look forward to showing you what I can make with them. Okay, you have a great day. Bye-bye.